Hello guys, good morning. Welcome sa bagong vlog. And today is Saturday and walang trabaho yung isa. So kagagaling na naman sa market at bumili kami ng egg and then ata and chicken because we're going to cook chicken for lunch because we have friends coming over. So magluluto kami ng chicken gravy, right? Chicken gravy, chicken curry, whatever you call that, but Indian style cooking. So, ito yung nabili namin. How much is this? 5 kg. 5 kg ata or wheat flour. Ito yung ginagamit for chapati kasi mas healthy ito compared sa flour or yung white flour. And we also have curd or yogurt. Ito yung ginagamit nila para sa mga chicken na lulutuin. And then we have 2 kg ng chicken and we have onions and curry leaves and what is the other one? Coriander. So prepare lang muna namin yung ingredients and I will show you how chicken gravy is being cooked here in India. And ito pa pala nabili namin star anise and bumili rin kami ng sweet lime pickle. So we'll try this later. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aming mga main ingredients. So we have chicken and then yung mga seasonings, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, cumin seeds, bay leaf. What is this? What is this?
I don't exactly know. In Hindi it's called dalchini.
Dalchini in Hindi. Cardamom? No.
This is cardamom.
This is cardamom, star anise, green chili. I don't know what is this. Cinnamon. No. And this what?
Coriander leaves.
Coriander leaves, curry leaves, and then we have tomatoes, and then this mashed onions, and we have homemade garlic paste, and we also have this ginger, I mean, and this is ready-made chicken garam masala. Chicken masala. So gagamitin siya namin. So all in all, yun yung gagamitin namin. So imamarinate na siya namin. So ayan, yung aking chef. Hi chef. Ako lang yung camera woman. Yung ginger garlic paste, i-add din siya. That garam masala.
Wait. Add some oil.
Add some oil.
Now we'll mix it.
So, yan na yung chicken na na-marinate. So, iset aside lang siya for half an hour. He's preparing the onion. Tulong-tulong din tayo pag may time, besh. Iyak siya, guys, as in. Nakakaiyak talaga ang onion, guys. Ito na siya. And then, use more. This much will be using. It's already 12 kaya nagmamadali na siyang magluto kasi it's already lunchtime. So, ayan na yung pan. So, first, yung oil. So, ayan, mainit na. Mainit na yung oil. So, we should put this So, yan. Mainit na.
Showing the oil.
So, yan. Yung dried chili, lahat na ng ingredients. Star anise, cardamom, leaves, and what's the other seeds? Oh my god. Too much seasoning. Ah! And then yung ginger, ayan. Grabe yung amoy ng ginger.
Look at this. Now done that. Clean that. Is it done? No, it takes half an hour.
20 minutes na siguro, guys. And then ito na siya. Pero kulang pa to. Kailangan pero isang luto ko ng So we're still waiting for this to get more yeah. Yung parang maging puree siya. Ipa-fry muna namin yung chicken. So, yan. Actually, ginamit siya namin para ma-fry yun kasi maging sticky yung doon sa onion. So, ayan. Ipa-fry muna namin yung chicken. Para sa chicken. Saka kulang na yung kasi guys. This is 2 kg chicken. siya. Half an hour.
10 minutes, then I have to keep on checking it.
Oh, yeah. Not straight 30 minutes. Like every 10 minutes we're going to shake. Oh my gosh. Power cut. Now we have to transfer. Ganyan siya guys. Like, kung medyo ayoko ng marumi siya, masigit pa siya sa akin. OC ba? OC. Ayaw na ng marumi. Guys, and ito siya. Parang watery na siya. Pero wala pang tubig yan. Yung sa chicken to na, ayan, yung water. I-check natin siya guys. Kamusta na siya. Stir lang natin siya. Every now and then, isi-stir natin siya para lahat mag-offer ng tubig. Anong gravy. Ayan na siya guys. Boiling na siya. Nilagyan na po natin ng sabaw tubig para lumambot. Ayan siya. Yung coriander, i-chop ko lang siya and then ilalagay na siya. Ready ko guys. So ready ko. Try natin guys. Yung chicken. It's good. So, mag-prepare na kami guys. Kakain na kami. It's already 2 p.m. and we're going to have lunch. siya, guys. So, nilagay ko na siya. Pero masarap talaga yung lasa niya, hindi siya ganong maanghang. So, I really like this. So, ayan na siya, guys. Though, para sa inyo siguro hindi siya maganda masarap, pero masarap talaga siya. Kain muna kami, guys. Medyo may mga kasama kami dito. So, katatapos lang namin kumain, guys, and yun na yung vlog, cooking vlog. And before ako magko-close ng vlog, I just want to make a shout out to, first is to Mimi Rara. Hi! Thanks for supporting me, and I read your comment, that's why I'm doing a shout out to you, Mimi Rara. And then the second is shout out to Manang Sushmita Don. She's my friend on Facebook and she's always there supporting my YouTube channel. So, thank you, Nang, and hi. So, that's it. My shout out for today. Hindi naman ako nagpipiling na sikat ako, no? I just want to let you know that I appreciate whenever you comment on my videos, and pag nagme-message kayo, I really appreciate it. Sometimes I may not be able to reply, or minsan short lang yung mga reply ko because sometimes busy din, but please know that nababasa ko siya, and whatever you are sending me, I really appreciate whatever you're commenting on my video. So thank you so much, guys. Mimi Rara and Manang Sushmita Don from Bacolod. Hi sa inyo! Yun na, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video ito, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye!